guys, I went out today. I was very tired. I came back, laid down on the floor because I needed to get some rest. Okay, so I woke up, checked time, and it's already 7:19 p.m. and I was like, I know I was supposed to prep food that I'm gonna cook for tonight and tomorrow work. I don't even know what to do, but anyway, I'm still going to cook the food. Yeah, join me. I might not show the process of the food because it's late and dark and the whole videoing process. Alright, stay tuned and watch the rest of the vlog. And then do tell me in the comment section if you prefer the silent vlog or the voiceover, or better still, this particular pattern I'm doing. I've done the silent vlog before, I've also done voiceover, and this is the first time I'm trying to leave the natural sound to my vlog in some parts, like when I'm talking. Yeah, and then when I can't talk, I do the write-up. So guys, I'm done selecting the bits, so time to cook it. So let's go. You guys are spending the evening with me today. Trying to post some of the shots that I already recorded. So guys, please do well to always watch my shots. I always drop short videos every day, so check it out. It's every day I drop shots, different relatable fun shots. Then don't forget that this kind of video drops every Sunday evening, so from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. max, this video will be dropped. So please do well to watch it. Meanwhile, my last vlog is still up there in case you haven't watched it. It's very interesting. Let me go upload my videos. Yeah, I'm planning to even go live this evening, but I don't know. God help me. Oh my god, guys, we are 2K sub already. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This actually made my evening. Oh oh my god, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. Oh my god, I woke up to 1.6 subscribers, and this evening I'm seeing 2 point something subscribers. Oh my god, you guys are amazing. Oh my god. The time is already 8 and the food is almost ready, but I can't wait for it because it's late and I'm trying to like stop eating late night food. So I'm gonna be eating plantain, and I'm actually cooking beans and some plantain. Yeah. Actually, this is going to be my lunch tomorrow at work. So this is my dinner. Come and join me. This is boiled plantain and some of my native sauce. I don't know. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be eating tonight. Yeah, just checking if the video I uploaded has successfully been uploaded. And yeah, done. I uploaded 3 videos this evening. Yeah, 3 shots. Sorry, 3 shots this evening. So please, you guys should do it to watch my shots. It's very interesting.
1, 2,
it's kind of 3. It's fun. So
4,
watch it.
5,
watch it and leave a
6.
comment. If you watch any of my videos, do well to drop a comment. That way I will keep the record that you watched it. Especially for my favorites, people that love me. Thank you so much. Watch this video. There are more, a lot of videos.